I have just one original key with immobilizer transmitter, but what can I do if I don't want to buy another key with immobilizer transmitter for much money? I can make a copy from this key, but without transmitter cannot start the engine. Okay, it's no problem. I can show you a way how can you start always the engine with immobilizer, but with every key without immobilizer transmitter. Okay, let's go. And with this copy key without transmitter, the engine not start. Okay, what can we do? Okay, we take the original key and we open it, and we taking out the immobilizer transmitter. There is it. We take out this sine transmitter. This is the sine transmitter to the immobilizer. We taking this out and we open this here, looking for the immobilizer receiver here. This is the immobilizer receiver here, and here is the sine transmitter and the receiver. Okay, and now I will fixing the sine transmitter to the receiver. I fixing here to the box, receiver box. Okay, here is the sine transmitter and the receiver box together now. And now I take the copy key without transmitter and I try it. Okay, and the engine going. Okay, the engine start. Okay, now the receiver not in the key. This is direct at the box. Okay, I was fixing everything. Everything's back. Okay, and now I have 2K. Both K can start the engine, or I can make copy. Other copy. It's also good. They can start without transmitter the car engine with arranging with immobilizer, but I can start with all okay. Yeah, it goes well. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful.